This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings, choose Controls, then tap Layout to open the HUD editor. This is the only way to change your control layout permanently in Pubg Mobile. Tap Customize to enter the custom HUD editor and start moving buttons one at a time. Use the grid and snap for precise placement when editing button positions so aiming and movement stay comfortable. Exit the editor to preview gameplay. If it feels off, re-enter Customize and refine positions until layout feels natural. Resize buttons to about 120% for larger thumbs or 80% for compact setups. Use the size handles on each control and adjust them individually for the best reach. Set opacity to 50% for visibility without blocking the view while aiming and shooting. Use the opacity slider to test between 30% and 70% in live play. Use uniform spacing, like 25% gap, between buttons to avoid accident. Save your layout as a profile and give it a distinct name for quick switching. After making changes, tap Save then name Profile so you can select it later. Lock the layout to prevent accidental edits during sudden in-game adjustments and avoid losing your placement. Share or back up the profile to the cloud to restore it across devices or reinstall. Test your saved layout in a training area and refine it until your muscle memory feels consistent and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.